In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add cash on delivery in Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, go to Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the main store configuration options, including how you accept payments from customers. Inside Settings, click on Payments. This section controls the payment methods available at checkout, so this is where you will enable cash on delivery for your store. When you are on the Payments page, scroll down until you find the Manual Payment Methods section. Manual payment methods are useful when the customer will not pay online during checkout, but instead will complete payment in another way. Cash on delivery is one of those options, and it allows customers to pay when their order arrives. Next, click Add Manual Payment Method. This opens a list of manual payment options that you can turn on for your store. From the drop-down list, choose Cash on Delivery, often shown as COAD. Selecting the correct method here is important because it tells Shopify exactly how this payment option should appear during checkout. After that, you will see a field for additional details. In this area, enter any information you want your customers to see before they place their order. This is a good place to explain anything important about the payment process, such as where payment will be collected or what customers should expect when the order is delivered. Keep this message clear and easy to understand so there is no confusion at checkout. You will also see a field called Payment Instructions. Here, enter the instructions customers should follow to pay upon delivery. This message should be direct and specific, since it helps set expectations and can reduce failed deliveries or misunderstandings. Once you have filled in those details, click Activate or Reactivate Cash on Delivery. That will turn the payment method on and make it available to eligible customers during checkout. After activation, it is a good idea to review the wording you entered to make sure everything looks professional and easy to follow. Clear instructions can help improve the customer experience and reduce support questions. That covers everything you need to know.